Lesson 11. Present tenses for the future. 1. Present continuous I'm doing for future arrangements. When you have already decided and arranged to do something, you have a plan, a date, or a booking, use the present continuous. Examples: I am going to the cinema on Saturday evening. Or Alex is getting married next month. 2. Present simple I do for timetables and programs. We use the present simple when talking about fixed schedules such as transport, cinema times, or official programs. Transport. My train leaves at 11:30. Cinema events. What time does the film start tonight? Fixed personal plans. I start my new job on Monday. 3. Comparison. Personal versus timetable. It is important to choose the right tense based on whether the event is a personal arrangement or a public schedule. Present continuous, personal. What time are you arriving? Your specific plan. Present simple, timetable. What time does the train arrive? The official schedule. Present continuous, personal. I am going to a concert tonight. Present simple, timetable. What time does the concert start? Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!